So I'm in Camden. I mean, Camden's awesome. You've got this gorgeous tapestry of character and colour, and especially if you've got a spill of weather like we have today, hopefully create a little bit of magic. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button, it's a really big support for me. And right, let's get into character.
Oh, you know why I feel down? It was that shot that knocked me to the ground. My bloodshot eyes and broken heart, the truth was there and once again found. You were too scared to understand who I was. I'll smoke my smoke and let my sorrow drown. I'll take a picture and watch it in flames, but I would rather take you by the hand as we'd run away from all our troubles to our dreams. If you let me, oh baby, I know you'd let me anyway. When I remember our first laugh, it takes me back to our first night. It was the first time I could smile, it kept me going for that while. But now I see you as a drug, and now I'm hooked. I know I'm left to die. I'd take a picture and watch it in flames, but I would rather take you by the hand as we'd run away from all our troubles to our dreams. If you'd let me, oh baby, I know you'd let me anyway. Now you know why I was down, it was that shot that knocked me to the ground. It was the last time I could smile, it stopped me going for that while. You were too scared to understand who I was. I think you left this just because a broken mind's a broken dream. With half a mind, I know you twice as mean.
I just took these pictures of this guy on the bike here, but the fucking GoPro switched off. But I thought I'd share the pics anyway.
Each time I walk you home, each time we're all alone, can't seem to find the words to say. Just gotta let you know how much I love you so. Tonight I think I know the way. I'm gonna put on some rock and roll music. Put on some rock and roll music. I'm gonna put on some rock and roll music. And play it soft and low. Put on some rock and roll music. I love you so. Tomorrow is too late. I just can't hesitate. My heart tells me tonight's the night. So when I take you home, and when we're all alone, I'm gonna kiss and hold you tight. And then I'll put on some rock and roll music. and me riding down the road. It feels good to ride together the way I'm feeling today. I never thought I could be so happy having you by my side, as together we ride, together we ride. It's getting late, so very late. Come on, let's ride home together. I'll hold you tight, we'll kiss goodnight, we'll end a perfect day together. The way I'm feeling today, I never thought I could be so happy. The way I'm feeling tonight, to be holding you tight and to kiss you goodnight.
Get your picture. Beautiful.